Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Park the Mercedes GLC 300 on level ground, engage the parking brake, and warm the engine for 5 minutes to reduce oil viscosity. Wear gloves, eye protection, and use jack stands rated for your vehicle before crawling under the GLC 300. Gather tools: 64 mm oil filter socket, 17 mm drain socket, torque wrench set to 25 Nm, funnel, and oil catch pan. Use 0W40 synthetic oil meeting MB229. 5. And prepare 7. 0L for a full service including filter. Disconnect negative battery terminal if you will remove electrical components. Remove the lower belly pan to access the drain plug and oil filter housing with the vehicle supported safely. Start by loosening the 17 mm drain plug and allowing oil to flow into a catch pan. Remove the plug carefully and let all oil drain until dripping slows. Replace the drain plug and torque to 25 Nm when empty. Next, remove the 64 mm oil filter cap and pull the old cartridge, then replace the cartridge and both O-rings, lubricating the new O-rings with fresh oil before reinstalling and torquing the cap. Reinstall the belly pan, then refill via the engine filler neck with approximately 7.0 L of 0W40 oil while monitoring the dipstick. The final level must sit between min and max marks. Start the engine and let it idle 2 minutes to circulate oil, then check for leaks around the drain plug and filter housing. If none, shut off the engine and wait 5 minutes for oil to settle and recheck the dipstick. Use the vehicle service menu or instrument cluster service reset to clear the oil change reminder. Take a short 10-minute drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.